In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop WordPress emails from going to spam. If messages from your site, like contact form alerts or new user notifications, keep landing in junk folders. A big part of the fix is cutting off spam at the source. Fewer fake signups and bot submissions means fewer low-quality emails and a healthier sender reputation. We'll do this using WordPress.com's plugin workflow and a trusted anti-spam tool. First, head to WordPress.com and open the Sites area so you're looking at your site management dashboard. From there, open Plugins. This is where you can search the directory and manage what's installed. Note that installing third-party plugins on WordPress.com may require a qualifying plan. Use the plugin search bar and type spam. In the results, look for the listing that mentions blocking spam comments, fake users, contact form spam, and more, with no CAPTCHA. Open that result, then choose the plugin titled Spam Protection, Honeypot, Anti-Spam by CleanTalk to view its details page. Before you add anything, take a minute to review the tabs on this page. Start with Description to understand how the plugin filters bots and why it won't affect your SEO. Check Installation for any special notes about setup on WordPress.com versus self-hosted sites. Glance at the changelog to confirm it's actively maintained and compatible with your version of WordPress. Finally, open the FAQs to see common configuration tips and how to fine-tune sensitivity so real visitors aren't blocked. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will walk you through connecting the plugin to a site. You'll land on a domain step. If you're creating a brand new site for testing, you can search for an available domain. If your website already has a domain, choose the option that says you already have one. Enter your existing domain carefully, then continue. WordPress.com will pair the plugin setup with that domain and guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts until the installation completes. Once the plugin is active, spammy comments, registrations, and contact form entries will be filtered before they generate email alerts. That means fewer junk notifications and better odds that your legitimate site emails are trusted by inbox providers. After installation, send a quick test through your contact form and review your spam logs inside the plugin to confirm it's working. If you see legitimate messages blocked, adjust the plugin's settings to be slightly less strict. That's it. Your WordPress email should now have a much clearer path to the